Good evening, good evening, good evening. Thank you everybody for tuning in. This is Neat Apple Tech. I just want to show you all something real quick. Alright, so how many times do you like looking at the beach? Or have you ever been to the beach before? Let's take time, reminisce, get it in your body, get it in your mindset that you're going to be able to be stress free. Alright, knowing that with the knowledge that I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you exactly how to be financial free. Alright, now disclaimer, this is not going to get you rich, but this can put money inside your pockets. Alright, now we'll come back to this beautiful beach right here shortly. One thing, I'm going to go ahead and tune into a website. Alright, I want you all to go ahead and click this in right now. But you want to go ahead and go to shrinkearn.com. I repeat, that's shrinkearn.com. Alright, it's going to be a website where I'm going to show you some different ways on how to make good income. Alright, now I'm going to take you step by steps and just follow exactly what I do. Just mimic it, and then at the same time you can make a lot of money. Okay, again, a disclaimer, you won't become rich, but you continue to keep doing this over and over and over again. Or when I show you exactly how to gain traffic to doing this, then it'll be on automatic and you'll be making good money. Alright, sounds good? Alright, if that sounds good, go ahead and click the like button and go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bing bell so that way you can get the notifications every time I drop a video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So as of right now, you want to know exactly how much do you get paid. Alright, so that's the biggest thing everybody wants to know first before getting started. So let's go ahead and click on right here, publisher rates. Alright, now depending on the area that you're in, well, first of all, let me stop right here. This is worldwide. Alright, I repeat, this is worldwide, so everyone can make money. It's not actually, nobody's been left out. Okay, so this is the awesome part about it. Now let's get back into it. So for United States, we're looking at $7. Alright, so per every 1,000 view, which would equal a click, you're gonna get $7. Alright, now so if you got a YouTube video, or if you actually have a link that's getting a lot of traffic and you getting like literally good thousands of clicks daily, okay, matter of fact, let me just go ahead and get my calculator. Alright, pull my calculator up. Alright, let's go ahead and do some math. Alright, so let me go ahead and pull out the calculator. Alright, so let's go ahead and do some math. Alright, so say for example, if you had, let's say 3,000 views. Alright, so let's go off with just 10% of that will be 300. Alright, now let's times that 300 times 7, which is at $7, right? It's $2,100. Alright, you can make $2,100, and if you do this correctly, you can make this within 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, or a little bit longer, but $2,100, what? Okay, so let me go ahead and just pull this back up. So let's go ahead and continue. So if you're in the United States, just like where I'm located, I'm going to get paid $7. Alright, so just to get the $2,100, let me go ahead and break it down in detail, step by step, on exactly how we're going to do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop the video. I'm going to go ahead and log inside, and then I'm going to show you the other end. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, now thank you all very much for tuning in with me. So now currently right now I am logged in. Alright, now that I'm logged in, I'm going to show you how this is going to work. Alright, so one thing you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to go ahead and click on tools. Right, once you click on tools, you want to go ahead and click on mass shrinker. Alright, once you go ahead and click on mass shrinker, we're going to go ahead, and this is basically the website that's going to go ahead and shorten every single of your links. Alright, every single link that you put on here, mass shrinker, it's going to actually shrink your URL. Alright, this is exactly how it's going to get paid, how they're going to monitor exactly how many views it is. Alright, so let me stop right here. Is anybody familiar with Bitly? Alright, so if you're familiar with Bitly, everybody knows that this is actually a shortener for web addresses. But one thing is, Facebook's been cracking down. A lot of social media websites has been cracking down on Bentley, so they don't want their links. And on top of that, you don't get paid from it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get paid for it. So Mass Shrinker. So what URL I'm going to shrink? So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and go to a link. It's currently right now. This is my book, The Secrets About Teens Piggy Banks. All right. If you're tuned into it, if you're interested in it, feel free to go ahead and pay the $10, and you'll be able to get this great knowledge. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead again, grab this link, copy. From there, I'm gonna go to Mass Shrinker, and I'm gonna go ahead and shrink it. All right. And from there, let's go ahead and click on shorten. Voila. Now that I got this short code, that now I can go ahead and put it on social media. I can put it in anywhere, and they're gonna love it. All right. Bitly, on the other hand, they just starting to dim down and get more cracked down on it. So that way, I'm not really sure why, but it's not allowing you to get as much traffic. Sometimes they'll delete it and throw it in trash, and you think that you're getting traffic, and you're like, why am I not getting traffic? That's just because they went ahead and deleted it for you because they don't like Bitly. I don't know why. All right, so where am I going to put this link? All right, where am I going to put it where a lot of traffic can be seen? All right, that's a great question. So one idea is you can go to your YouTube page. All right, so this is one of my YouTube page channels. I have different ones. All right, so what you'll do is when you get inside the YouTube studio, just click on content right here. And from, I'm going to go ahead and click on its views, which is going to show you the ones that's viewed the most. And at that moment, you're going to go ahead and click on details. All right. And once you click on details, right here where it has the it has my Facebook link, but then if you want to get my book, I'm gonna go ahead and place it. Matter of fact, I think that is my book. That's the Bentley. So I'm gonna want to go ahead and make money. I'm not making money with Bentley. I can see the analytics, but I need to make some money. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move that right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste the good link, and then from there, Facebook, I'm just gonna put. And you just put in whatever that you're selling. I'm just gonna put in here. Also, grab my book. Also, grab my book. And most of the time, I like to capitalize every single letter. All right, and then from there, let's go ahead and click on save. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the video. Just make sure everything's working properly. All right. The detail area, that link that we just went ahead and embedded working. All right, so let's go ahead and click on show more. All right, voila. Now, one of the big things is how do you get traffic to it? All right. Now, this is going to be a website that I'm going to show you where Mark Cuban used. There's some other different type of big YouTubers use to get this traffic. All right. Now again, do not show this to a lot of people. All right. I'm in an exclusive group, and this is how I got this information. You all are with my group, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and drop this link in the category down at the bottom in the body, and then I want you to click on it. All right. I want you to click on it so that way you get where the traffic is going. All right. Now, how to get the traffic? Let me go ahead and look at that beach. Nice beach. Don't you want to be right here? Don't you want to walk around here? And if you don't like the beach, do you want to actually be successful? Do you want to actually live financial free, to be able to buy different foods when you want to? Say, for example, you want to buy new tires on your vehicle whenever you want to. You want to give gifts out whenever you want to. When do you want that? All right, so let's go ahead and get this where this traffic is going to come from. And the website we're going to go to for this good traffic is going to be vidiq.com. All right. So again, please don't tell a lot of people about this website. All right, so perfect. So it's pulling up right now. This is going to be the back end of what you're going to need to continue to keep growing. Growing, and growing. If you don't believe me, let me go ahead and scroll up. Look at it. Mark Cuban, Tim, Chad. Let's go. Let's keep going. Jim. I mean, it's tons of people, all right? If you want to see exactly how they're doing it, I'm giving you the secrets right now. And if you like it, press this like button and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss a beat on when I drop some gems. Alright? Thank you all for tuning in with me. If y'all have any comments or anything, go ahead and put it in the comment area. Or you can email me at neatappletech@gmail.com and I'll get with you as soon as possible. And thank you very much for tuning in with me. My name is Mike Newsome with Neat Apple Tech, and I'm signing out. Stay tuned for the next episode.